Hello everyone, this is Kevin Manning, your astronomer would look up to the stars. So as we dare to look up and wonder at the splendor of a starry sky, the appeal of astronomy may be beckoning. Submit to it in the slightest and you may get hooked. Once you do, the universe and your place in it will never look the same. Astronomy is an experience that allows us to pace ourselves, so take heart. You can go as slowly or as quickly as you like. The universe is a patient place, one that doesn't mind waiting while we take the first steps towards understanding. If we stare into the night long enough, gaseous nebulae begin to emerge, and glittering star clusters show up on the scene as well. Though the moon looks so close you could reach up in the sky at night and grab a hold of it, and relatively speaking, it is our nearest neighbor by far in the whole universe, but it does lie 240,000 miles away from the Earth on average. Some people like to see the craters on the moon up close in a telescope, but let's take a look at the lunar landscape, the surface of the moon up close and personal through a large observatory telescope. I actually helped build this observatory many years ago. Now the wider, brighter, biggest part of a full moon face we see in the sky is known as the highlands. The highlands are pot-marked with hills, rills, mountains and valleys, and numerous impact craters speckled across the lunar landscape. Impacts from rocks like meteoroids and asteroids over the last 4.6 billion years, we think. Needless to say, the highlands part is a rough, textured area, not a good place to land if you and I were an astronaut.
The sun is 93 million miles away, and that means, in actuality, it's immense. You could fit 1 million Earths inside the sun.
It's over 1 million kilometers in diameter, yet our sun is tiny compared to the really big stars out there. Eta Carinae, over 5 million times larger than our sun. Betelgeuse, 300 times larger than Eta Carinae. If it was our sun, it would reach as far out as Jupiter. And then there's this monster.
Scientists are investigating this mystery in an underground tunnel near Chicago, home of the giant Fermi Lab particle accelerator, designed to create conditions like those that existed just after the birth of our universe. Millions of protons and antiprotons race through these pipes in opposite directions, nearly at the speed of light in a kind of subatomic demolition derby.
So galaxies and the myriads of objects they contain, many of which I've described for you in today's program, we all marvel at the views of these objects taken by our great detectors. But there are many of us who ask large numbers of questions regarding the laws of physics associated with these objects found throughout the depths of space.
Some galaxies evolved into gigantic disks and spirals of stars, gas, and dust. Neighboring galaxies, trapped by their mutual gravity, draw together in a fantastic collision. In real time, it would last 1 billion years.